You just found the 2023 Nissan Rogue. This feature-rich Rogue adds confidence and convenience to everyday life. Standard driver assist safety tech, large cargo capacity, and spacious seating have your back wherever the road may lead. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, keyless start, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, stability control. Spacious comfort is surprisingly efficient in this well-designed Rogue. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.